They say that in Raja Ampat some seashells hold the memory of the ocean, and that if you pay attention you can hear something beyond the sound of the waves, something older. I don't know if it's just a legend, but I found one. I held it to my ear, thinking I'd hear the sea. Instead, I felt something else, not a sound. Presence. As if these islands had existed long before us. As if they had never needed to be discovered. Here, there are two worlds. One above the surface, and another, quieter, beneath the seas. Underwater everything slows down. It's quiet, weightless. And in that silence you understand. You are only passing through. And then there was Doro. We didn't speak the same language, but we didn't need to. I handed him my camera and watched him take photos as if every image were a discovery. Simple, honest, real. Little by little, I understood. Raja Ampat is not just a place you visit, it's a place you feel. I know I will leave, and the ocean will go on without me. But something of these islands, of this silence, of this light, will stay with me forever.